Hello, in this video we will show you how to use Synchro Field Civil tools in the Model Viewer, including Profile View, Cross-Section View, and Station Offset Measurement. We'll start with Profile View. In the Model Viewer, we'll first tap on Tools button on the bottom and select Profile. To open a Profile View, we have to first specify a linear element or civil alignment. Here, we'll tap on the Alignment menu on the top right to see the available alignments and select the one you want to see the profile of. You can see the profile view showing at the bottom. If you tap on the profile view, the corresponding location will be marked in the 3D view along with its station. By tapping the ellipsis button, you can adjust the profile view options, such as text and geometry visibility. Now let's look at the Perpendicular Cross-Section tool. Again, tap on Tools and select Cross-Section, Perpendicular. You'll be prompted to select a linear element. Here, we'll select the same alignment as we did for Profile View demonstration. Once the element is selected, you can specify the location of the cross-section by dragging the cut or entering the exact station. The cross-section view will show up at the bottom, and you can move the section station by tapping on the arrows on the lower left. You can also move to the start or end of the alignment. Just like Profile View, the view options for cross-section view can be found in the ellipsis menu as well. Next, we'll talk about TwoPoint Cross-Section tool. With this tool, you can establish a cross-section view by simply selecting 2 points in the 3D view. We recommend switching to top view when using this tool. The camera switch can be found in the ellipsis menu. Here, we'll tap twice to confirm each selected point. If you'd like to know the exact dimension from the section view, the measurement tool can be used in the section view as well. Lastly, let's look at Station Offset tool. Note that we have hidden the irrelevant items in the demo so as to make it easier to select the civil alignment of interest. Once the alignment or edge is selected, we suggest switching to top view through the ellipsis menu, and then you can snap to the location of interest. If you'd like to see detailed information, you can tap on the yellow pill at the bottom, and the related properties will be expanded.